Hey guys, this is clutch assembly for the R1 2009. You guys want to know why some engines, the clutch rattles and makes some noises? It's like I can show you. Like, look, it's because of that, right? Those springs, they shake inside this assembly, and happens with the R1, MT09, and so on and so forth. So that's what happens. Now you know it. Some bikes, they have this, and some guys, they disassemble this installation here, this thing here, and they put shims underneath the springs. They shim the springs, and then the noise go away. But yeah, now you know it. Bye.